Good morning. Good morning. Gee, it's great to start your day with coffee with Karma today. Happy Monday. Oh my gosh, what a Monday it is. Oh my goodness. But today I have been looking forward to this episode because I'm working on a whole series of videos to support it. And I'm going to be talking about 5 ways to dictate your book with AI assistance. So many people tell me, "I don't have time to write. I don't have time to write." Well, guess what? If you've got one of these, a cell phone, you've got time to write on the go. And just watch this video and you'll know which apps to use on your phone, on your laptop, on your computer, on your tablet. A lot of these are available in all those places. And then I will be doing some demo videos, and I will put the links to those demo videos in the show notes as soon as they are ready. So let's just go. Let's just go. So the first one is Google Docs, which is awesome because it's available on all platforms. All you have to do is open up Google Doc, and there's a little button up in the right-hand corner, which would be over here, like right about there, and you click on it, looks like a microphone, and then you just start talking, and it types. It's so cool, and you can access this on any device. I've tested it on a Google, I've tested it on my phone, I've tested it on my laptop, and later today, I'll be testing it on my tablet, but I'm pretty sure it'll work there too. So, all you have to do is talk it out, and what's nice about this is you dictate your whatever you're working on. It could be a blog post, it could be a chapter of your book, it doesn't matter. You dictate it, and you can totally rethink this thing. Then you've got a doc. You've got a doc with words, and you edit it. Simple, simple, simple. Another tool that you can use to dictate your book, um, I don't have it on my mobile devices. I only have it on my laptop, but I do know that there is a mobile version of MS Word. More than likely, it also has this feature. But at least on a laptop, again, you open up a Word doc, you go up into the right-hand corner, and you click a little microphone, um, icon, and you start talking, and it types what you're saying. It's pretty cool. Wait till you see the demo. It's pretty cool. Now, those are the 2 most obvious ones, and I have done shorts demoing those, but I'm gonna go into a little bit deeper demo, with a little bit longer video, but I will put links to the shorts as well in here. The 3rd tool is a tool that you can use to edit your videos, but you edit it using the text. So what happens is, and the software is called Descript, you upload your video to Descript, it transcribes it, and then you can edit your video. Well, it has a feature where you can click record and you can just talk, or you can record your audio in any other device using anything, video, audio, doesn't matter. Upload that file to Descript and it transcribes it. So it's a really multiple use tool. You can use it to transcribe audios and videos. You can use it to edit your videos. You can use it to edit audios. It's fantastic. It's a great tool and it's actually fairly inexpensive. I will put a link to it in the show notes. I love this tool. Um, Another tool you can use, again, you'd have to use some with this one, I don't think you can dictate directly into it, but I will be checking that out. Um, it's one of the many, speech to text softwares out there. I use Scribe. I've in the past used Trent. But basically, you get one of these AI voice to text softwares, and you either record your voice somewhere, upload the audio or video to the software, and it transcribes it for you. Um, or some of them may also have a like an actual feature where you talk into it. I have not tested it out. I will be testing that later. And the 5th audio what you do is you record, like, on QuickTime or Audacity, and you upload it to one of these AI transcription tools. It's awesome. Now, here's another trick. This is a bonus trick. I have tried this. So, you can get Chat and Claude and possibly Gemini on your phone. Actually, you can get all 3 of those on your phone. I know Chat has an audio feature where you can talk to it. Well, guess what? When you talk to it, it stays in your account. So, in a pinch, you could open up ChatGPT, talk into it, and voila, you've got a record. Now, of course, Chat will be talking with you, so Chat's conversation will be in there as well. But it's so here you go. I've just given you 5 or 6 ways that you can, on the go, talk your book or at least get the draft out, your ideas while you're on the go. This helps you make use of dead time. There you go. 5 ways you can dictate your book with AI assistance. Check out the show notes as those demo videos become available. I will be adding the links to this page. My name is Carma Spence, and I help executive coaches, business leaders, and consultants write, publish, and market client attracting books. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. It helps you reach more people, and I really appreciate it. Carma Spence saying ciao for now.